my channel, guys. So today I'll be talking about some businesses you can start online with little or no capital. Some businesses you can start online with little or no capital. I see people complain a lot about not making enough money, not having money for business, not knowing what to do and all. So I've taken out time to talk about some businesses one can really start with little or no capital, and it's going to be internet based. Number one is what the first thing I would like to say is for any business you want to start on the internet, there will be a necessity for skill. You need skill to actually start a business, and these skills are often called high income skills. They are skills you have to learn, you have to acquire to actually start turning them to money. So what I'm going to tell you is number one, for example, if you can become a freelancer on the internet. That's number one. That's one of the things you can start online, one of the business you can start online. You can become a freelancer on some platforms like fiverr.com, Upwork, and we have work2earn.co. These are websites that actually encourage people to make money on the internet by just showcasing their skills. These skills could come in form of copywriting, it could come in form of graphic designs, it will come in form of animations and all sorts. So these things are actually there. The opportunities are there, they are online, and you can take advantage of these things. Now another thing is you can also become an SEO expert. Now to become SEO expert, you need to have years of experience in digital marketing, you need to have years of experience in blogging, YouTubing and all. You don't necessarily need to have a YouTube account, but you must have done a whole lot of research and must have acquired a whole lot of knowledge on the search engine space. So by default, if you want to go into SEO business, which is highly very lucrative because people will pay you a whole lot of money to help them optimize their articles, to help them optimize their products for sale on the internet. So these are channels you can do. Then another thing is another business you can start is web design. Web design has to do with designing websites, blogs and all for companies, for companies both local and international, for businesses around you and all. So it is an avenue for you to make a whole lot of money because it is limitless. And the funny thing is most websites or website owners or clients that will approach you, they don't really know how much it costs to set up one. So depending on how big or how large the infrastructure is going to be, you can actually make a whole lot of money from the website. I've seen guys charge up to like $1 million for a website, and at the end of the day they spent less than 100,000 naira. We are talking about over $2,000 for a website, and they spent less than $200 developing the website. That's how huge the profit margin is. That's how profitable it is. So web design, we talk about freelancing, we've talked about web design, and another thing I would like to talk about is what will I call it? Like trading. Although you need capital for that, that's the truth. You need capital to trade forex. You need capital to trade what do they call it? Crypto. So, but it's just an aside. If you have capital and you don't know what to do on the internet or to make money from, then that is an option also. Then the fourth one I would like to talk about is blogging. Blogging is very lucrative and very easy. When I mean easy, it doesn't mean you have to be mentally lazy, because you have to do a lot of research and you have to know how to generate backlinks. You also need to have a little or a lot of ideas about SEO. You need to be able to market your blog, make it popular, rank on search engine, get traffic and monetize. So these are things you have to think of. Now number 5 is YouTubing. You are starting a YouTube account. Just like now you are watching this video, I am most likely earning from it. So for watching, I'm earning. So these are 5 ways you can actually bank on and make money on the internet with little or no capital, because these things only require skills. They only require skills for you to operate. You don't necessarily need to have a huge amount of money. For example, if you are starting a blog, you don't necessarily have to buy hosting. I have a video. You can check one of my videos on this channel. The video talks about free hosting platforms that you can use, and these hosting platforms are professional. You can use them to build your website, to do whatever you want to do, and you will still be fine. So in short, you'll be able to compete with those who actually, used other platforms. I mean paid platforms. YouTube is free. YouTube is free. The only thing that you'll be charged is internet data, and that also depends on where you live. If you stay in a place like Dubai, you stay abroad, you stay in the UK, you stay in America, most likely your house has internet. So why not just create videos, interesting videos, educational videos, informational videos, entertaining videos, and monetize these videos? These are opportunities on the internet. The internet is a gold mine, and you can actually take advantage of these things and become so rich in the space of 6 months to 1 year. The opportunities are there. Nothing is stopping you. The sky is not even your limit. It's a starting point. So these are things you can start on the internet. Now, if you have little capital and you also want to start, you want to become an internet entrepreneur, you can also go into buying and selling. All you have to do is buy product at cheap rate, most likely from abroad, and list them on your platform. Buy them from China, bring them to Africa, and you sell them at a very good margin. So all you have to do is list them on marketplace like Gigi, like Jumia Marketplace. These are the biggest platforms in Africa. Some countries I heard they still use OLX. So if there's OLX, you can list it there. There is another one that we are working on. In short, I am the founder and CEO. I'm working on it seriously. It's called fastsellers.co. Fastsellers is going to be an international marketplace that allows people to sell in their local currencies. This is going to influence and affect international trade. It's going to boost it because you can actually sell a product in your own currency. You don't need to sell your product in dollar or in naira. So if I'm buying from someone in Ghana, I'll be seeing the product listed in cities. So by default, it's not going to affect their exchange rate. Now, if you listed the product as at January this year, and I'm buying it by May, then the price, the exchange rate of May should actually affect the price. So these are opportunities out there. All you just need to do is think, and think. The internet is large. The internet has turned the whole world into a single community. People can trade, people can transact. I've done a lot of business with people I've never met before, and I will never meet them. That's how life is. But the internet is wide. You make money, everybody makes money. The money is there on the internet. So just sit back, relax, and think of what you can do with little or no capital. When I finished from university, I was also jobless. I had no job. But one thing I started doing was blogging. I just rushed into blogging. I learned all I could on the internet. I started doing it. Then from there, I knew I needed graphics. I learned graphic design. From there, I opened my eyes in 2016. I joined crypto, and crypto changed my life and a whole lot of things. So these are opportunities on the internet. Don't let your condition limit you. Don't let the fact that insofar you have the internet to watch this video, it means one way or the other you have data. Monetize your data. That's what we are saying. Are you on Facebook? Is Facebook paying you? If the answer is no, then monetize your content. Upload them on YouTube. That's an avenue. If you're a good storyteller, monetize your content via YouTube, via Facebook, via your blog. So these are different opportunities, and I think you should take advantage of all of them. Now, if you are joining this platform for the first time, make sure you drop your comments in the section below. I want to see your comments. I'm going to respond to all comments. And I'm going to make sure that I answer your questions. If at all you have any questions, if you have any product you want me to review, you have anything you want to ask, any business you want to talk about, you can ask them. I'm right here for you. Also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please press the subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. It is important. I want you to be one of my subscribers. I want to mentor you into making 6 figures, 7 figures, 8 figures on the internet. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day. Bye for now.